Hi guys, me Denai, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what we're going to do right now. Okay guys, today I'll be showing you one way how to make slime. Right now I'm going to make pink slime. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first you need a bottle, well just have this, a container of water, and gum. Get out my gum. This much. If you have this type of gums, you don't have to get the whole thing. If you want a lot of slime, you can get the whole thing. If you just have straight gums, then you could put anything that you want. So what you're gonna do is add this to the water. So add to the water. And pour the water out. It's too much water. And I'll be back with you guys after you have to put it in the water for a long time. And I'll get back with you guys after I put it in the water for a long time. Bye. Guys, I'm back and I got a bigger container and I'm still as you can see it's still not slime yet. So I'll be right back. What you want to do is keep on like smushing it while you're putting it in the water. And then soon it'll turn into gum. As you guys can see, it's almost done. Just almost. But obviously we need a lot more water.
In the bathroom tonight.
So what you guys want to do is to keep kneading it. See, it's like really hard. Like the texture is really hard. As you can see, that when I press it, I have to go hard or else it won't spread. And then if you have this hard consistency, then you need more water. So I'll be right back to you guys when I put more water. So bye. As you guys can see, you have to make the gum soak in the water for a little while so it could turn into slime. And you also have to play with it while it's in the water. It will take a while. Instead of using water, what you guys could do is you could chew it up. And then when it's right consistent, you can take it out your mouth and start playing with it and take all the saliva out. But that's a disgusting way, but you could still do that. And I'm going to do a next slime one after this one. I know I said I was only going to do one, but I'm going to do another one after this one. So what you're going to do is going to put the gum in for a long time, or else it won't turn. As you guys can see, it's nighttime. Or else it won't turn into slime, guys. It won't. Okay, guys, while I'm making that soak, I'm going to show you guys the other way. And what you're going to need is shampoo, a container, and soap. I want to see if this works or not. While I'm doing this, my gum is soaking. Guys, I'm just going to use my toothbrush as a mixing tool. You're also going to need some water. So let me get some water. By the way, guys, I'm in my bathroom because it's the best place with lighting. Then you can add some soap. It will look a little like this. Or it won't, because what if you use a different type of soap or a different type of shampoo. And I forgot to mention, you guys will be needing that's it. Unfortunately, it didn't quite work. I think we're missing something. Guys, I think we're missing something. Also, you guys will be needing toothpaste. Let me see if I can get toothpaste out of this. I'm using the toothpaste that I get from the dentist. You're only gonna be needing a little. Now we need to mix. You'd be looking something like this. Okay. Now you're gonna let it sit. While I'm letting it sit, I am going to show you guys what I have for my gum right now. Well, it's not quite done yet, but it's still a little bit hard, but it is more stretchier and more better than it was last time. When I mean you guys need to make it soak for a long time, I mean you need to make it soak for a long time. As you can see, it's still not done. Okay, that's done making sit. As you guys can see, it has not worked. I swear I did the recipe correctly, but it does not work, sadly. So I'm going to get Bye guys, hope you enjoy. And like in the comments what else you guys want to see. Bye. I almost forgot. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification and comment in 5 seconds. A challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it wrong. If you guys didn't, you could do it right now. If you guys did, then good job and comment. I did it in the comments. If you didn't, then you could do it right now. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. Bye.